Everyday versus everyday. Because of their many similarities, these two words are often confused. Let's take a look at their differences. Everyday, spelled as one word, is an adjective and used to describe something that's ordinary or typical. For example, everyday crime is a big problem for many cities these days. Every day, on the other hand, is a phrase or an expression that simply means each day, such as here. I have an apple at work every day. So remember, every day is an adjective describing something typical or ordinary, while every day means each day. That's it for today. See you next time.